How to view the current trend of a product on AliExpress. So what you need to be using basically is Google Trends. As you can see right here, it shows me the trends of different products. And we search for LED strip lights. As you can see, it peaked right here. You can also search for specific products. For example, I can put the code of this product right here. This was around December time, around Christmas, of course, it will peak. Now I can choose this computer headset option. So I've done it to be worldwide. As you can see, the product has gained interest right here. But now the trend is starting to go down. Maybe it is not the best product to look into. So you can go ahead and try this with other different products. For example, let's go ahead and choose something a little bit more specific. Maybe let's do this one right here. Stereo P47 headset. So I'm going to search this up on Google Trends and see how it is doing. Let's do this one. Can go ahead and copy that to Google Trends and then search for the topic. We can just do the normal search term for this one. And as you can see, it seems to be peaking right now. A lot of people are searching for it. So we could go ahead and assume that this is a trend. And it's that easy and simple, guys.